Hello everyone, welcome to Online Cash. On this channel, we talk about how to make money online easily. Today we'll be talking about a platform called World Republic. So World Republic is a mining platform. Actually, you mine coins and you swap them or exchange them from Ethereum. Then you withdraw it. You swap it to Ethereum, then you withdraw it. Now I'm going to show you how this platform works, and you're going to mine on this platform. Now before you can mine on this platform, you have to you would have to download this Bitgate wallet. So if you are used to Bitgate wallet, you will know that inside the app now I'm at the dashboard of Bitgate wallet. So this is the dashboard of Bitgate wallet, and I will show you how you can use Bitgate wallet to mine these coins and exchange them for Ethereum So let's get on this. So if you don't have a Bitgate wallet, just go to your what is it called? Play Store. You go to your Play Store, so and you search for Bitgate wallet. Um, so you search for Bitgate wallet, and as you can see, so just download it, sign up on it, and get your recovering praise. So that is how you after getting the Bitgate wallet, you just you see the dashboard like this. Wait, let it open. So I already have an account, that's why I don't have to sign up or do any other thing. So it automatically just take me to the um dashboard. Now, so at the dashboard, you see, if you look at it down, you see home, you see market, you see trade, you see discover, and you see wallet. Now you click on discover. Just wait. So when you click on discover, you see this enter the app name or so you just tap on it, this search icon or the up, tap on it. Now the link I'll be leaving in the description section of this video or at the comment section, you just copy the link. Don't tap on the link, just copy the link, paste it on this place, on this search, enter the app name, just paste it there and you search on it. Now I've already pasted the link before. I've already um, registered on the platform before, so I don't have to paste any link there again. So as you can see, that I have the app here. You see app.worldrepublic.org. So I already have it here because I've already pasted the link before. So at the description section of this video or at the comment section of this video, the link, you just copy it, paste it here and search for it. Now even when you leave the Bitgate app and you come back, when you click on this discover and you click on search, you just see the app automatically showing here at your history. Then you just tap on it. So it's redirecting me to the platform. So this taking, okay. So after you get to the platform, you click on send. So after you redirect you to this place, you click on send. Now I don't have to click on send because I've already sent in before. You get? Or should I just click on the send so that you understand the explanation? As you can see, just put your fingerprint, and that is it. It's connected. So that is how it works. Now you can see that I'm having some coins here. If you look at the up there, you see that because I've been mining it for some hours now. So when you're mining it, you just come maybe each 24 hours or every hour, tap on claim. So you claim it and it will show at the top. You see claim, it shows 0.7858. So that is how it works. Then to withdraw, you just come here, you tap on wallet. Now before you can withdraw, you must have to do a face verification. Now when you come to this wallet, you see this leftness check. This leftness check that is showing completed, it will be showing not completed, uncompleted. Just tap on it, then they will show you where to put your face so that they can scan your face, and automatically it will be completed, so you'll be enabled to withdraw from the platform. So if you want to withdraw from the platform, you just um put your wallet address, your network and amount. So either you put watching or base. So anyone you choose to do, you just put it and put your amount, then withdraw. It's as easy as that. That is how it works. Now I'll be dropping the withdrawal proof of this platform so that you can see that it actually works and it's not a scam. So that is how you earn on this platform. That is how you earn on this platform. So just come every day, tap on claim. If you choose to withdraw, just withdraw. That is how you earn easily on this platform. Okay, thank you for watching. If you want more of this video, just like and subscribe on this channel. And if you have any questions about this video you have just watched, just put it at the comment section and I will do my best to answer.